All right, how we doing today? Is Vinny Cuz here, and I'm just going to bring you a quick little tutorial on how to clear up your headlamps. You know, your lenses when they start to get a little dingy. And today, what we're going to use is the Chemical Guys Headlight Restore. I'll show you what I'm using. So as you can see, we've got the Chemical Guys here. We got our sponge and our microfiber towel. All right, so we're going to shake it up, and y'all really don't need to see me. I'm going to take it, put 3 dots, get some of this stuff out, and then basically all we're going to do is scrub the hell out of it, like so. Now this is Kitty. This is my 2015 CTS. I don't drive it anywhere near as much as I used to, but I still drive it. So we're just going to scrub it until it goes clear, and once it goes clear, then we'll wipe it down with the microfiber towel, like so. And as you can see, just that quick, it's all nice and shiny and clear again. All right, thanks for watching.